In this problem, we are going to compare the population densities of two states. Now, how is population density defined? Let's look here. The population density is equal to the number of people over the area in square units. So this is how it's measured. People per square units, because area is in square units. An example of square units would be square kilometers, square miles, square feet, etc. So the population of New Jersey is 8.65 million. The population of Alaska is 679,000. In order to find the population densities, we need the areas. The area of New Jersey is 7,420 square miles, and the area of Alaska is 1,481,350 square kilometers. So let's do the calculations. Population density, let's look at New Jersey first, is 8.65 million over 7,420 square miles. A million is 10 raised to the 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a million, one followed by 6 zeros. So that's 10 to the 6. 8.65 times 10 to the 6 is basically 8.65 million divided by 7,420 square miles. And when we use the calculator, we simplify it. We do the calculations and we get 1,156 people per square mile. So this is the population density, but remember this is in square miles. Now we look at Alaska. The population of Alaska is 679,000 divided by the area, which is 1,481,350 square kilometers. We simplify, we use the calculator and we simplify it and to get 0.45837 people per square kilometer. But in order to compare the population densities, we need to make sure that they are in the same units. Now notice that the population density of New Jersey is in square miles, and the population density of Alaska is measured in square kilometers, right? Per square, it's measured in terms of area, which is given in square kilometers. So we need to be consistent with the units. So therefore, we're going to convert the square kilometers to square miles using the given equation. Note that the equation is given. 1 square mile is equal to 2.59 square kilometers. Now we multiply with 2.59 square kilometers over 1 square mile because we want to cancel off the kilometers. We want to make sure that our answer is in square miles, people per square mile. So that is equal to, and then we simplify it. So when we multiply these two, we get 1.19. Use your calculator to do this. People per square mile. Now that we have the same units, we have 1.19 people per square mile. We have 1,156 people per square mile in Alaska and New Jersey. Now, how do we compare these two? Clearly, the population density of New Jersey is much, much larger than the population density of Alaska. One way to compare it would be to divide one by the other. So we take the larger one, which is the population density of New Jersey, and divide it by the population density of Alaska. The units cancel out and we get 971, which is roughly 1,000, just to be very approximate. So we can say that the population of New Jersey is 1,000 times that of Alaska.